So this is the Fulaim X2 active noise canceling wireless microphone kit. You can connect this to your smart devices like an iPad, Android, or iPhone. What's awesome is that it comes with two different receivers, a USB-C for your laptop, iPad, or Android phones, and a lightning connector connect for your iPhones that are 14 and below. Quality audio, compact design, and you have that active noise canceling as well. Now, as a plus, since you do have the two receivers, you can actually record audio simultaneously with this. One to a USB device and one to a lightning device. That's pretty cool. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you do have the option to create two simultaneous recordings, maybe like a backup. It's up to you. All right, so let's take a close look here at our wireless microphones. You can see the case right here, which is really small. You have a USB-C connection in the back, and this cover right here, it's a bit clear, so you'll see when the lights come on, you can actually see through it. But when we open it up, you can see through. When we open it up, you'll see your two receivers and your two transmitters. Your first one, of course, is your USB-C one they have right here. You have your lightning one right here, and of course, you have your transmitter with a power slash activating the noise canceling. And of course, you have a clip here on the back as well to clip it to your shirt if you wanted to. When we look closer at the case, you'll see that you have some magnets here. This you can use to actually connect it to right here on your shirt. So I can go ahead and just slide it down inside of my shirt and connect it right there. And it's set to good to go. Of course, you can see the microphone on the top of your microphone. Again, the clip, the charging contacts, and of course your status light right there. As far as accessories, you do get two dead cats to protect from plosives or wind passing by that may mess with the audio on the microphone. You get your USB charging port, and here we go, you have a USB-C to a headphone jack pass-through, so if you wanted to, you could monitor your audio at the same time while you're actually using this. So let's get straight to our first sound sample where I'm going to connect it to my smartphone. Just plug it into the bottom of your phone. You'll see that you see this charging status, and of course I just have to power on my microphone and it'll connect to it right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll start recording something. And this is what the Fulaim X2 sounds like connected to my iPhone 15 Pro Max, of course, using the USB-C connection. I found out that through my test, it gave me a pretty decent sound. Now, right now I have it connected to my chest, and me personally, I prefer to have a microphone right here in my chest because whenever I put it close to my neck or like, on the clip here, it always sounds muffled. Here's an example. Let me go ahead and take this off the magnetic clip. I'll put it on my collar right here. And this is what it sounds like when it's connected to your collar. Again, from my experience, it always sounded muffled, but it's up to you where you actually want to place this. Now, for the best quality, it's becoming all the rage, and I think people are starting to figure it out. When you have it like this, it seems you get the most detail, clarity, and presence from your microphone when you're kind of holding it like that. It really is up to you. Now, let's talk about the noise cancellation, because right now I have my AC buzzing and also my PC, the fans are kind of whirling. You may or may not hear it, but let's go ahead and press this button right here. You'll see we'll get two lights. That means our active noise cancellation is on and working. And not really sure if you can hear a difference, but we'll definitely take this outside so you can hear a more of a stressful test as for the noise cancellation. Now, one of the things I really appreciate about the Fulaim X2 is its plug and play capability. You just saw we went from my smartphone directly to my laptop using the USB receiver, and now my wireless microphone is being used as a USB microphone on my laptop. Really convenient versatility to jump between devices and use this wireless microphone as a microphone for a Zoom call, meetings call, whatever. Again, you have that versatility to jump between the two and use it as a standard USB microphone. When I connected to it, no crazy additional drivers, just saw it as a USB microphone, selected it, and I'm recording. All right, let's really test the active noise cancellation of this microphone, and let's go outside so we can see how well it does out there, and then we'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, outdoor test, and it is definitely windy. Definitely a lot of traffic going on to my left-hand side, and I've got the microphone right here on my chest with the pop filter, so just in case we have some kind of crazy gust of winds or plosives, that's taken care of. Let me go ahead and activate the noise cancellation part right now. And at that point, you could probably hear a noticeable drop off in probably like the rumbling of the audio in the background that you may get from traffic. There's always like a low rumble. Usually the active noise cancellation reduces that and it focuses more on my voice. Let me adjust the exposure because it is getting a little dark. So yeah, that's what we got. Let's go ahead and turn it off. And now what I'm going to try is I'm going to go ahead and put it close to my mouth. And now with the microphone in my hand, you got a great sense of what this sounds like. And the microphone is literally facing the road right to my right. So we're going to see how it's faring as far as the noise cancellation. Let's go ahead and activate that on. And now with the active noise cancellation on, we should notice a noticeable decrease in the background noise that's happening from the traffic to my right. Okay, let's go back inside and let me give you my final thoughts on what I think about the Fulaim X2. Who is this for? Well, this is for anyone who has a smartphone, doesn't want to spend a lot of money, and also have a wireless microphone with their kit. You know, sometimes the microphone on an iPhone or your smart device can be good, but it really has to be near you. If you want to have the option where you're actually further away from your smart device while still having good audio, well, then a wireless microphone is definitely the way to go. Some high points that I thought about the microphone. Well, when we did the outdoor test, I thought the active noise cancellation did a really solid job. I did find that the microphone did overload a bit often. So make sure it's not really in the way, or try not to speak directly into the microphone because it seems like it overloads fairly quickly. Again, if you have it on your chest, but if you're not talking down like that, you're going to be fine. Maybe under your, I do remember when I was listening back on the audio, it didn't sound as bad as I thought it did the first time around when it was actually on my collar. It seemed like the safest place. There was no opportunity to speak into the microphone where it would overload, so that might be a consideration. And again, I did find out that I got the best audio quality when actually holding the microphone. Maybe the safest spot is right here for this microphone, but it does change the tone of this microphone as well. Compact, 2 microphones, and you get 2 receivers, so you can have simultaneous recording. And the magnets on these things are ridiculously strong. All right, that is the Fulaim X2. Really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so pick up your own Fulaim X2. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.